Good morning, students. Today I will explain the chapter conditional. Conditional is a type of sentence that is made up of an if clause, condition and the main clause result. It means a conditional sentence is the one in which one of the clauses lays down the condition for the action expressed in the second clause to be performed. The sentence describes a situation that might happen or might have happened. ये सेंटेंस ऐसे सिचुएशन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं जो हो चुकी है या फिर होने वाली होगी. द सेंटेंस यूजली स्टार्ट विद इफ और व्हेन. ये सेंटेंस ज़्यादातर इफ या फिर व्हेन से स्टार्ट होते हैं. द इफ क्लॉज कैन बी द फर्स्ट और द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. इफ क्लॉज जो है वो सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट पार्ट भी हो सकता है और सेकेंड पार्ट भी हो सकता है. देन देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कंडीशनल. सो आवर फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज ज़ीरो कंडीशन, ओके, जिसको हम टाइप ज़ीरो भी बोलते हैं. तो इसका रूल क्या है? इफ प्लस प्रेजेंट सिंपल प्लस प्रेजेंट सिंपल. प्रेजेंट सिंपल मीन्स सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. It refers to a situation that are always true or possible, and it is also used to express general truths, habits and scientific facts. Now see the example. If it rains, the ground gets wet. If you heat ice, it melts. Now in both the sentences, the situation is true or possible. When can be used instead of if? We can use when also instead of if. For like this, if you heat ice, we can say that when you heat ice, it melts. Then next is first conditional. And what is its rule? If plus present simple plus future simple means simple present tense plus future simple future tense, and it refers to a situation that is possible or realistic. And it also refer ये भी वही situation बताता है जो possible है या फिर realistic means that can be real. Now see the example. If I go to the shop, I will buy something. If I study hard, I will pass my exams. Now these both sentences are showing the realistic situation. Then is second conditional, and its rule is if plus past simple plus would plus verb base form means कि first form of the verb. It refers to the situation that is impossible or unlikely to happen. ये ऐसी situation को बताता है जो impossible है, जो हो नहीं सकती. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a mansion. If I were you, I would quit smoking. Then comes third conditional. And what is its rule? Its rule is if plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle, and it refers to the a past situation that differs from reality. ये past situations के बारे में बताते हैं जो कि reality से बहुत ही अलग हैं. Now see the examples. If I had saved my money, I would have bought a car. If I had studied, I would have passed my exam. So I hope students you have understood the chapter. Try to do the back exercises of the chapter. Thank you.